Hello, welcome to Crystal Core Skills. This is just a continuation of our naming conventions for lines, points, and angles. So we have seen that when you name a line like that, it's like a fully blown straight line with the arrow on both sides. So that never ends. And then we came up with the definition of array. Array is only one, it begins from one point and goes to one direction only. So that's array for you, and this is how to present them. So array can be presented like that, and a line can be presented like that, and AB obviously symbolizes the segments along the lines and the segments along the array, and a point is just a dot, and you can give a name A to a point, or just 1 2 3 4 if you're using numbers. And also we have seen some of the ambiguities which may be found in the naming convention and how to present a line and array. And we I hope you will agree with me that segment is actually the best way, which is not ambiguous, because as you can see here, for both ray and a line, segments are the same. So you can have line segment, you can have array segment, but if you want to distinctively specify whether the segment belongs to a line or to array, then you can include the arrows at the endpoints. For example, AB for the line, you can have two arrows in both directions, but for array, you can only have one arrow in one direction, and that's a difference between array and a line. So we want to see how we can use this idea of line, ray, and point to form some sort of an angle. So according to geometry, we learned that whenever two lines intersect, for example, if you have a line like that at that point, and then another one like that, let's say we have segment AB, A, B, C, D. Whenever the line intersect, they form some sort of, I would say, vertex. A vertex, more than one vertex, to be honest, because when you take that one, it's a vertex. 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 So this vertex will give rise to the formation of an angle. Now, if you present a line like this and then you call these vertices angle, to me that is not complete unless you put the sign of a circle to complete the angle. So that is an angle for me, because the line intersect, for example, let's say at point E. So we know from here that we have some sort of angle, some sort of angle CEB, or we know some sort of angle CEB. You can just put that one there, because that angle E is the point of focus among the 3 points that we are dealing with. CEB, and E is where the angle is. So this is the best way to present the angle and the best way to draw the angle. But if you take, for example, let's say you've taken AED, you are at this point you're talking about the vertex. It's not an angle yet. It's just the vertex E when you're considering point A, E, D. To make it an angle, you need that curve of a circle, because an angle is measured in degree, and part of degree is the units of those part of the circle forms what is called a degree, and that degree makes up an angle. So when you're presenting angle, make sure you include that small bit there to symbolize a fully blown angle. Therefore, this one will become our angle AED. It makes sense now. Or AED with that small small bit at the top to symbolize the angles where we are focusing at. We are focusing at E. So my friend, that's how to give name to an angle and how to extract an angle from the points and the lines. Next, in the next coming video, we are going to see different kind of angles, and after that we will see how to put all of them together to form geometrical shape. But before that, we will also look at the concept of similarities and congruency to see how we can manipulate this shape to solve mathematical problems. Thank you for viewing, and I hope this video has been informative, and I'll see you next.